Sneezing non-stop? Here are quick hacks to stop it fast. 1. Press your finger gently just under your nose. It helps calm the sneeze reflex. 2. Sip cold water slowly to soothe your throat and nerves that trigger sneezing. 3. Take a deep breath and hold it for a few seconds. This can stop the sneeze in its tracks. 4. Wash your face or blow your nose. Sometimes sneezing is just your body trying to clear irritants. These tricks work for random sneezes, but if sneezing continues daily, it may be allergies. And that's when you should see a doctor. Stay healthy, stay clear. Follow King's Health for more quick hacks.